Welcome back to my channel. This is my makeup look today. Keep watching if you want to see how I got this look. For the eyes, I used the Item Beauty In My Element eyeshadow palette, and I really hope that you enjoy watching. And as always, all the products I used on my face will be listed down in the description box below if you want to check any of them out. I'm going to start with some primer, and I've almost finished this one off. I think the brand is like Skin Supplement. The wording has almost come off. It's just like a serum-y primer. I smacked these are my nails this week. Actually, they're upside down. It took me ages to do them because I didn't really have like a plan for them. So I was just kind of like trial and erroring my way through it. I did little French tips and then like these little like rainbow hearts on the ring finger and then the thumb. Like little nail tape I just put together in a little line and then cut out a little heart. But I think they turned out quite cute. I smacked this nail on the door frame when I was walking in the back door earlier today, and it hurts really bad. The front of it like smacked really hard and it hurts really bad. I got these cute little new hair clips too to pull my hair back whenever I'm doing this because that nail is really bothering me. That's why I brought it up. It hurts really bad. Foundation, I'm doing my current favorite, the Makeup Revolution Skin Silk. It's such a good foundation, and I look extra pale today. I literally match the wall almost. It just looks so nice. It looks like skin. It matches my skin tone really, really good. It doesn't crease or like settle into my smile lines. It doesn't look cakey. And I really, really like it a lot. And I've been wearing it a lot recently. Next, I'm going in with some under eye concealer. This is by CoverGirl. It's the trublend undercover concealer. The shade I have is Fair Porcelain. I'm going to set the cream products with the RCma loose setting powder on this big fluffy brush by Real Techniques. Okay, so now I'm going to start on my eyes. I'm using this eyeshadow palette. It's by Item Beauty, the In My Element palette. Got these shades here. I think I'm going to do something with these like purpley shades on this row here. I'm going to start with Interstellar. On this Luxie brush, it's the 250 brush. I'm just blending that into my crease and like all the way up, fading it out towards my eyebrows. I'm gonna take a smaller like pencil brush. I'm using the darker shade called Starship, putting this on my lower lash line. And then I'm taking a little bit of a smaller, fluffier brush with Interstellar again, and I'm going to just kind of buff out my lower lash line. And now I'm gonna take that same Luxie brush, go in with Starship, the darker purple, just a little bit of this, and deepen up my crease here on the top. Just make sure that everything is all blended together. Now I'm going to take a little bit of like a denser, flatter brush, take the darker purple shade again, and just kind of pat this onto my outer half of my lid. And I'm patting it on and then dragging it towards the inner corners. Okay, so we got kind of like a little bit of a plum look going on right now, and I'm going to take this bright, like glittery shade called Stellar on my finger here and just press this onto the lid. And I'm kind of like dragging it up into my crease, but like where it fades out, the farther out it gets. Okay, so now I'm going to take this bright like iridescent purpley shade, which is called Moonstar. It's very, very pretty and like iridescent, and I'm going to just pat this onto the center. And now I'm going to take another small little brush, take the shade Moonstar. For my blush, I'm using this one by Persona. It's the Super Blush in the shade Carmel. And I did like kind of lightly on the blush, and I think it has like similar tones to the eyes. That's why I went with that one. I'm going to add some highlighter, and I'm using the shade Moonstar. I'm going to use this as my face highlighter. I love the like purple reflect that it gives. I think it's very pretty, and this is what it looks like in the pan. Like it just looks light and like iridescent. It is like kind of a glittery shadow. I'm like blending it really good for the glitter to go away, so that I'm just left with the glow. I'm taking my finger and I'm going to put a little bit on my cupid's bow and then go over it with the brush, just so it's less like chunky glittery. Same with my nose. Okay, I filled in my eyebrows, and I'm going to take another little brush, use this eyeshadow as my brow bone highlight right up here. I'm going to go ahead and do my lips really quickly. I'm using this lip liner. I feel like it's a little bit similar with the purple. LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner in the shade Blushing. So I outlined them, I filled them all in with this lip liner. I'm gonna go over top of them with a lip gloss. This is by Hard Candy. It's the Plumping Serum in the shade Cakewalk. I don't know if they still sell this one, but any sort of, I'm using this one because it's like a sheer pink, but the glitter that's in it is a little bit like iridescent. It has like that purple reflect that the other glitter has. And then I'm going to take some more of that Moonstar shade on my finger and dab it over top. Okay, and then just go over with a little bit more gloss to bring back more of the shine. Okay, so now I'm going to add some setting spray. I'm using the Too Faced Hangover setting spray. Okay, so I popped on some false lashes, and also before I put the lashes on, with a black liquid liner, I did a little line along my lash line so that the lash band would blend in better. And now I'm going to let the glue on my lashes fully dry, and then I'm going to go in with some mascara. I'm using the Wet n Wild Makeup Volume Mascara. And here's the finished makeup look. And that completes this video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching. If you want to come back to my channel, I post twice a week on Mondays and Thursdays. And I'll see you next time. Bye.